I am Ansh. Today I am going to explain my topic, the water saving irrigation model. The water saving irrigation model is an innovative and suitable solution designed to reduce water wastage in agriculture. It uses soil moisture sensors, drip irrigation and solar power to deliver water to crops only when needed. This automated system helps farmers save up to 50 to 70% of water, improve crop field and reduce irrigation costs. By promoting smart farming practices, this model supports the goal of Visit Bharat 2047, ensuring suitable agriculture, groundwater conservation, and rural development. It empowers farmers through affordable technology and contribute to building a self-reliant, environmental responsible India. Thank you.